This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Stephen Stockton. If your client is looking for a maintenance-free home, then look no further. This is a completely updated, move-in ready home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home. The roof, windows, vinyl siding, gutters, water heater, plumbing, heating and air unit and kitchen appliances are all brand new. The bathrooms and kitchen have been fully renovated with new cabinets and fixtures. All new LVP flooring throughout. It even comes with a brand new washer and dryer. The front and back doors are brand new with new hardware. If it could be updated, then it has been updated. Come see this beautifully updated home before it's sold. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephen Stockton at 865-687-1111.